friends, I just want to post this short video to show you what do you do if the points are not already clear from the graph. So for example, I'm here on this IXL problem and I'm looking at it and I can't exactly, it didn't show me two clear points. So in that case, I'm going to need to find those points myself. So if you look at the grid behind it, right, we're looking for the places where these grid lines intersect. So here's an intersection, here's another intersection. And then I'm going to try to find an intersection that lines up perfectly with the line itself. So if I look at this problem here, there's a perfect connection here, right? This grid behind matches a point on this line. So one of the points on this line is going to be 0, 3, right? 0, 3. And then I have to find another one. So I'm going to follow this line up and I'm going to sort of look at the grid behind it. Well, this one does not meet a corner of the grid, so I can't use that point. And this one's not at a corner. It's sort of like halfway in between. And then looking up at this next one, this one's also not at a corner, right? It's in the middle of this line here. And that one's not at a corner. But if I look up here at this one right there, that one's at a corner. So now I've got my 2 points that I can find at my corners. So here, right, at 0, 3, and then up here at 4, 6. So then once I've done that, now I can count out my triangle. So now I can count from 3, 4, 5, 6, so that's up 3 spaces. And then it's going to go over 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces to get to that intersection. So this one should be 3 fourths. So I'm going to type it 3 fourths. Oops. And I got it. Okay, let's take a look at this next one, right? So I can't use this first point, but here, this one is right at the intersection of a line. So that's going to be one of them. And then I'm just going to scan up this line until I find another one that's right on the intersection of a point. So here's one, and here's another one. And so then I'm going to count up 2 and over 1. So my slope is going to be up 2 over 1. Okay? So please continue along. I hope that helps, just because sometimes just finding the points can be the hardest part of these kinds of problems.